Today I'm going to be microwaving a car headlight. I've heard that these things glow extremely bright in a microwave, like a mercury vapor street light. I'm going to find out if that's true or not. And I'll be doing it in the Sunbeam microwave named Jessie. Now put it in for 2 minutes. Wow. I thought that thing was supposed to just light up, but it caught fire. Okay, I had to extinguish this thing out in the snow. That's why you didn't see the removal of the post-product. It was such a quick process. And it's unfortunate too. I thought it would light up, because other videos I've seen, they really light up this. No, stupid thing just caught fire. Let's examine what's left of the post-product in 2 pieces. There's the burn-up remains of the headlight and the base. Whoa, that's pretty hot. Let's just bury this thing up in the snow. As to whether or not you should do that at home, I would say no.